Z-axis alignment confirmed across all sectors.
Coordinates verified. Ready for segmentation. Initiating cut sequence.
High-purity perfluoride precursor is pumped through specialized tubing from the storage barrel into a primary reaction vessel. The ultrasonic testing confirms a flawless internal grain structure. Zero porosity or microfractures detected. Cooling the electronics of the stealthy J-35A. A high-precision robotic system ensures perfect alignment of the microchannels using specialized brazing foil.
Temperature profile holding steady at 450 Celsius.
Vacuum integrity confirmed. Initiating final seal sequence.
The metallic gray heat exchanger is lowered into a series of chemical cleaning and passivation baths. Bubbles rise from the
The completed heat exchanger is placed into a custom-molded anti-static foam enclosure. A robotic system then
Cooling the electronics of the stealthy J-35A, the heat exchanger is transported to the finished goods warehouse.
The high-resolution machine vision camera scans the newly fused seam and weld penetration depth. The heat exchanger undergoes accelerated environmental exposure, simulating years of harsh atmospheric conditions. Final weight and balance. The thermal management system undergoes a mass conformity check. The industrial-grade heat exchanger is placed on an ultra-precision digital scale. The high-precision laser etching unit applies the final QA code, permanently marking the heat exchanger before the worker logs the approval into the digital ledger. This is Process A, the definitive storage of the Shenyang J-35A's heat exchangers in a precisely controlled, chilled environment.
The security seal confirms that primary product manufacturing in Zone A is fully concluded and secured.
Pressure rising in Vessel 3.
Acknowledged. Initiating cooling sequence B.
Flow rates are stable.
Powerful. Magnetically coupled centrifugal pumps move the clear, newly fluorinated coolant fluid through a dense array of type.
In this Class 100 clean room, the specialized canisters for the J-35A thermal management system
The labeling automation for the stealthy Shenyang J-35A ensures traceability. A serialized label is affixed and checked by the machine vision system.
The dynamic check verifies the mass with extreme accuracy. As this canister,
The sealed industrial gray metallic canisters are subjected to a brief hydrostatic pressure test, ensuring they can
Batch sampling for retention. Thermal management system. Cooling the electronics of the stealthy Shenyang J-35A quality retention.
Paperwork for the J-35A systems. Process B complete.
Confirmed. Seal applied. You are clear.
Residual coolant levels at 0. Neutralization successful. Copy that. Proceeding to sterilization phase.
The synthesis cycle for the coolant fluid is showing a 20% reduction in power usage.
Excellent only for reverse and the per impact.
A technician uses a highly sensitive electronic sniffer to check all connection points and manifolds for any signs of
Checks complete. Systems nominal. Ready for departure.
Engaging the afterburners creates extreme temperatures, but as the jet lifts off, the specialized coolant fluid
Ground electronics temperature holding steady at 25 Celsius. System nominal.
As the J-35A maneuvers at supersonic speed, the thermal management system relies on continuous coolant circulation to prevent overheating. Despite intense operation, the internal components remain cool, demonstrating the superior heat removal capability of the system.